morning sun, it kisses the dew. Birdsong whispers tales so new. Leaves are dancing in the breeze, harmony found among the trees. Rivers' laughter echoes through, mountains tower in the blue. For a secret softly sung, life and nature forever young. Feel the earth beneath your feet, heart and soul in rhythm beat. Nature's choir wild and free, in this symphony just be. Fields of flowers sway in time, bumblebees in gentle rhyme, whispered wishes in the air. Nature's grace beyond compare. Moonlight washes over night, stars like candles burning bright. Crickets play their lullaby, calm and peace as hours fly. Feel the earth beneath your feet, heart and soul